People 1, epilepsy nil. All because they connected through an online epilepsy community.
And when robots and doctors connected, kids being treated in hospital could stay in touch with life outside.
That's the power of innovative connections in healthcare. They do amazing things, like help people get hepatitis C testing.
Or prevent heart and bone problems in our later years.
Or teach kids about diabetes and reducing the risks.
Or create a unique initiative that improves stroke care by building networks and optimizing processes.
Or let a cycling team show you that disease doesn't stop you in your tracks.
Innovative connections can even create a Europe-wide health data network that's transforming lives. And by working together, we won't rest until everyone benefits.
Because with teamwork, anything's possible.